All right, back. We got the exhaust finished, all clamped up. All our parts from Randy's Custom Exhaust. He got them for me really quick. It was nice. We'll change this out. It's just what we had in the field, what we had to work with. We're gonna use it for now. I don't know if I'll be back here Monday or not, because it will run before Monday. Got a brace under the end of the exhaust down there, all the way down to the frame for the motor. 290s, 90 straight out. Rainwater should not get in there. This is an outdoor machine. I don't think it's probably ever been undercover. Probably never even had an engine cover over it. So anyway, all joking aside, grinders are very dangerous. They throw lots of debris out of the tub, especially this one. I haven't really figured out why yet. Well, okay, I know why. I'm just not going to tell you. So, safety. Grinders are dangerous. Hearing protection. When you're doing loud things, cover your ears. Because again, nobody likes to yell at their friends. Jamie. So we're going to make sure she's out of gear. The fuel's on. It's always on in this machine. There's no shut off besides the throttle. We got to turn the key on. And let her rip. Up in about half an hour. But let's turn this truck on with our foot and run on to this. Okay, don't put it in gear. Oh! We gotta put the clutch in gear. It's working now. over there making them. We'll see you again.